So this is the very beautiful and luxurious living space. We have a beautiful L granite kitchen. So this is our luxurious master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey, and in today's video we'll be doing a sample flat tour of the Ridges 41, which is located near Rajiv Gandhi Infotech Park, Hinjewadi, Pune, and is developed by Paranjape Schemes. As you can see, I'm at the actual location of this project, and right behind me is the sales office of this project and the land parcel of this project. And right in front of me, you get an internal road which connects you with Sakre Vasti Road. Before we go ahead with this project, first I need to tell you what is Housey about. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike current listing platforms where inquiry is shared with number of brokers, Housey is different. Housey connects you directly with the builders. That means transparent pricing, genuine information, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, book your dream home now with the developers through Housey. Now let me tell you about the project overview with the help of the Project 3D model. This project will be constructed on 2.2 acres of land parcel, 3 towers with basement plus ground plus 5 podium plus 35 floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location and connectivity of this project. As you can see, I'm standing on the actual road in front of the sales office, which is located near Rajiv Gandhi Infotech Park, हिंजेवाड़ी फेज 1 पुणे। इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है ब्लू रिज बस स्टॉप 750 मीटर, इन्फोसिस सर्कल फेज 1 2 किलोमीटर and Ruby Hall metro station 3.2 kilometer. Now let me tell you the amenities of this project with the help of 3D model. This project has 35 plus luxurious amenities with the likes of multi-purpose court, senior sit-out area, swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, jogging track and many more. So as you can see, I'm at the entrance of our 3 BHK sample flat with 1272 square feet carpet area. So right at the entrance, you get a digital door lock for security purpose. And right over here, at the entrance lobby, you can have your shoe rack or decorative items. Now let me show you the living space and the dining space. So this is the very beautiful and luxurious living space. Here you can set up your couch. And also you have a balcony attached to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and 3-side cover. And over here you can set up your TV unit. Now before I check out the dining space, let's check out the first bedroom as per the butterfly concept. So this is our very spacious, the first bedroom. Here you can set up your bed, and here you can set up your TV. We also have an attached balcony which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and 3-side cover. The balcony is covered with the living space. You'll also be getting an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings and designer vitrified tiles. You have a lot of walk-in space over here. Now, let me show you the dining space. Here is a beautiful dining space. You can set your dining table here and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you the kitchen. We have a beautiful L granite kitchen which has a sink attached to it. We also have a dry balcony where you can keep your washing machine over here. We also have a window attached to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose. You can also set up your refrigerator over here. Now let me show you the second bedroom. But before I show you the second bedroom, let me show you the common washroom. The common washroom is just opposite the second bedroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings and designer vitrified tiles. So this is our beautiful luxurious second bedroom, which is also the kids bedroom. Here you can set up the kids bed as well as you also have a window attached to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose. Now let's check out the master bedroom. But before we check out the master bedroom, first let me tell you what does Housey provides. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, payment and EMI schemes, and 360-degree location tour, all just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free on www.housey.com and book your site visit today. Now let's check out the master bedroom. So this is our luxurious master bedroom, and here you can set up your bed, and over here you can set up your TV. You also have a window attached to it for natural lighting and ventilation purpose. We also have a dressing table over here, and also you get a lot of walk-in space. Also, let me show you an attached master washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fittings and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the Ridges 41, which is located near Rajiv Gandhi Infotech Park, Hinjewadi Phase 1, Pune, and is developed by Pranjape Schemes. For more such video, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and also do visit www.housey.com to book your dream home today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.